You guys, in this video I want to show you how to unclog your drain from a Kenmore washer, Kenmore 800. I guess we washed something and it doesn't drain anymore, so we pulled it out, and this is what you need to do to open it. There's two clips right here, one is here, one is here. I don't have the other one, but anyway, I got a knife. You can take a flat screwdriver, basically just pry this open just like that. This one the same. And this thing is going to flip back right there and just lay it down. Alright. So you're gonna have to take off one connection. This is actually the lid switch right there. That's the switch. So you would just take this guy off like that, put it over there, and then for you to take this whole cover off, you would have to take this clamp off right here. I'm gonna break my knife. Probably is like some kind of special tool. Alright, back in business with a channel lock. So just take this and then pull it off. That's it. That's that. There's another one right here. That's down. Let me see that. Thank you. Put it over there. Take your tools away. I just pull it from here. This whole thing comes off. Just like that. It's probably like a common setup for Kenmore. It's really easy. So that's that. I can still have water in here because the drain doesn't work anymore. So this is basically your pump. There's in and out probably. This pump stays here like really easy. There's like this clamp and that clamp. But let's take this channel lock again. Let me take this hose off. Just like that. There's the water. Alright, that's done. There's the other hose. Take the clamp off, pull that out. Take this clamp off right here. Take the other clamp, and there's the pump. And guess what? What do I have in there? Look at that. Power. We need something to pull that out. You see that? I need, I don't know, something. So that's why your pump doesn't work anymore. Your drain, it doesn't, if your thing doesn't drain anymore. So see how easy that thing sits in place? There's that. This is your motor. Probably the motor's fine. And this thing spins without doing anything. So we're gonna try to pull that out, and we're gonna be back. Alright, so we are back. I pulled this thing out from from my baby's car seat. Kind of destroyed, right? But anyway, the pump looks to be clear right now. It does look that is clear, and that's probably the part number for it, in case I need one. I don't think I do. Alright, it does look clear. So to put it back on in one hand. See, in one hand I'm holding the phone, the other one I'm just gonna work. So the bottom clamp, take it, that's one. Second one, put it in, twist, and clamp. Done. Hose all the way to this stop right here. And my cheap channel lock from Lowe's. That's that. That. It's all done. Here's my other clamp, I guess. You are gonna want to put this back on here. Need that. That's gonna clip in here. And then this is your switch. When you lift the cover, this is what actuates the switch. So I'm gonna try to put this thing back on, and then we'll be back. So we're almost done here. It's actually quite a struggle to put this thing back on, but anyway, all you have to do is put this clamp back on, push it in there, take another one. Oh, session. Alright, so you put the other one in. How do you put the other one in? What in the world? Oh. Okay, that's done. Alright. Alright, plug the switch back on right here. Clean it or not. Where's this guy from? Alright, nowhere, I guess. So one thing you want to do is you want to put these clamps back on if you don't have them. One here, one here. Flip it over. That's done. That's done. Alright, so this is it. Let's test it. Alright, so we did put some water inside. just for the test.
Why is green?
We're gonna go spin, and there's the water. So it's working. Well, have fun, good luck, and hopefully this is helpful. Remember, leave a comment, and again, leave a comment and subscribe. See ya.